To write with the help of Meta AI and Facebook Messenger, start typing out your message. And once you have a word, you can now tap the little pencil icon. You'll see default responses. You can scroll your finger along the bottom to see other options or tones. You can tap on one of these if you want to change it. And if you update your text, it will update suggestions. So I'll write out a full response, then tap on the pencil icon. You actually get the most control if you tap on the plus icon. Here I can actually describe the exact adjustments I want to make. Then I'll tap the arrow so it gives me suggestions. If you're not happy with the results, just tap refresh, or you can tweak the text and then tap refresh. When you see the AI response you want, tap on it to load it. It won't send until you tap the send arrow. Nice work.